Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is my sister-in-law Sarah. She's coming today for a fresh set, so I thought I'd show you some prep. So I've been using these products for a couple of weeks now, probably about 4 weeks, something like that. Just been getting used to them, and I wanted to get an honest review, and I absolutely love them. So the company is called Navy Pro Tools, and this bit here is your cuticle pusher, and it's called Ethel. So as you can see, glide it across the nail, it just removes all the dead skin that is on the nail plate. It is honestly amazing. I'm so glad I've got it. And the owner kindly asked me, I've been talking to her for a little while, she's asked me if I wanted to become a brand ambassador for the company, and of course they have such amazing, classy, up-to-date tools. I'm going to be a fool to say no, so I'm really proud to be part of her team. So yeah, as you can see, I have literally got no work to do here with my cuticle bit because it's done it all for me. So now I'm going to come in with my sanding band. I have my speed on 2, and I'll literally just tickle over the nail. No heat, no pressure, nothing like that. It's just literally to rough it up a little bit and to remove the surface shine. So I'm going to do that to all the nails. And the little bit that's just on the tip there was just a little bit of acrylic that she's had on for God knows. It wasn't lifting or anything, so I wasn't bothered about it. So then once I've done that, I applied Glitter Planet's Tapered Square Tips. You know, they're my fave, all-time fave. I don't think I'll ever use anything else unless they change them dramatically, and I just can't go with them. But honestly, if you haven't bought them already, you definitely must, because you know they're insane. So yeah, they're the Tapered Square Tips from Glitter Planet. So I applied them with my gripper glue from CJP. I cut them, shaped them, and now I obviously applied dehydrator and primer, and now we're going in with our clear layer. So I'm using crystal glass for that. So I said at the start that this is my partner's sister, and she is one of my worst clients. No, that's awful. I don't have a horrible client. She is just stiff as a plank. Is literally the only way I can say it. Stiff as a board. She, no matter how much she says she's relaxing, she ain't. What a liar. She is so stiff. It's literally, I find it so impossible, and I always try and just, if she goes to go on my nails on Trace, I just try and avoid it. But she saw that I did my sisters at the weekend, and she was like, how dare you. So I thought, well, actually I'll do your nails for once. So we're kind of doing like a little baby boomer with a marble and a glitter nail. So here I'm using coconut milk, and I'm just going to apply that to the baby, halfway down the nail, the pointer and the thumb. So the nude that I'm going to be using is Honey Pearl from CJP, and I'm just going to place a bead at the cuticle area and blend down. I'll then cap the nail in crystal glass to protect my blend. So the middle finger is going to be a marble nail. By the way, I have sped up most of... I just bit my lip. I have sped up most of these clips today. I don't even know why. Because I feel like you've seen baby boomers quite a lot. So yeah, I just thought I'd speed up the process of the video just so you don't get bored. So here I'm picking up a bead of Honey Pearl, coconut milk and clear. And then I'm just going to swirl them together. So I pick them up with my big boy brush, place them on the nail, and then I use my CJP size 2 brush to swirl them together. So then you know I love coming with a little bit of glitter on my marble nails. So this is a gold, I can't remember off the top of my head, from the Unicorn's Den, but I'll leave everything in the description box. I've used it a million times. So yeah, just going to add a little bit of glitter to that now, and then the ring finger is going to be a full nail of that glitter. So I picked up a bead of clear, dabbed into that raw glitter, and then pressed it and nudged it all into place. Such a great coverage glitter. It really is stunning, and it's definitely my go-to. So once I've done that, I'm going to cap them in crystal glass. So I filed, shaped, buffed, all that good stuff, and now I'm going in with a top coat. So I'm using CJP Tack Free Top Gloss. I'm going to apply a nice thin layer of that over all her nails. I cure it in my LED lamp for a full 60 seconds. I'll apply, I applied Naff Stuff's Merlin, really? Come to see me. Sorry about that, he's literally landed right in front of me, so he's now biting my phone. I applied Naff Stuff Cuticle Oil and Cherry, and she was like, what is that? So I didn't tell her what I used, and she was going, what is that smell? What is that, such a nice smell? And I was like, it's your cuticle oil, Sarah. And she couldn't get over it. So yes, it's gorgeous. Cherry's my favourite. I love anything cherry. So I'm not leaving the video here. I'm going to go on and tell you about Navy's Hygiene range. So it's a 3-step to clean, 3 steps to clean your tools. So your white bottle there is your detergent. So this is going to remove all your dirt and anything that's left on your tools. So I've got 2 of their products here, and I'm just gonna show you on these 2. So yeah, I'm going to get into all those nooks and crannies and remove any other dirt that may be left behind. And then once I've done that, I'm going to go on to step 2, which is the navy bottle, which is the disinfectant, and this will disinfect all your tools so that they are absolutely squeaky clean and, you know, perfectly clean. Literally, it smells like hospital, and you know, hospital grade clean is literally the cleanest of clean. So then the 3rd step is the drying. So it's a little cute fluffy soft white towel that's on my table there. So you have to dry them, because if you leave anything wet, it's going to breed bacteria. So this is why we have to dry them. So that's just what I'm going to do here. And then once I've done that, I'm going to pop them back into the little pouch that they came in, and then you're ready to use on your next client. It really is that simple. Just a really up-to-date 2019 way of, you know, disinfecting all your tools. So I do hope you enjoyed this video. I'll leave any links for discount codes in the description box, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.